To polish a rock with a Dremel tool, first soak it in hot, soapy water and scrub it with a toothbrush to clean it. Let it air dry completely. Then place the rock in a vice clamp attached to a flat work surface and put on gloves, safety glasses, and a face mask to protect yourself from dust and injury. Place a Dremel standing attachment on your Dremel tool and slide a low-grit sandpaper band onto it. Grind the exposed surface of the rock. Then rotate the rock in the clamp and grind the rest. Next, switch to a medium grit sanding band and grind the entire rock again. Grind the rock one more time with a fine grit sanding band. Replace the sanding attachment on your Dremel tool with a polishing wheel. Then, turn the Dremel on and dip the wheel in some rock polishing compound so it's fully coated. Finally, polish the whole rock with the compound until it shines.